ready to turn your TikTok hustle into Temu treasure. Let's unlock the secrets to sharing your Temu code like a pro. First, fire up the Temu app. You gotta grab that golden ticket, your referral code. Head over to the Use section, usually at the bottom in the center, then tap Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Now, look for your referral code. It might be labeled Refer and Earn, Invite Friends, or something similar. Tap it, and you should see your unique code and a button to copy it. Hit that copy button. This is your key to Temu success on TikTok. Alright, time to switch gears to TikTok. Open the TikTok app. Think about the kind of video that would grab people's attention. Are you showing off your amazing Temu haul? Maybe a funny skit about your Temu addiction? Or a quick tutorial on how to find amazing deals? Get creative and keep it engaging. Film and edit your video like a true TikTok star. Add some text overlay saying something like "Use my code for discounts" or free gifts on Temu. Don't forget trending sounds and effects to boost your video's visibility. Now, the crucial part in your caption. Paste your Temu code. Make it easy for people to copy and paste. And use relevant hashtags like #TMU, #TMU affiliate, #TikTok deals, and anything else related to your video. This helps more people discover your content. Hit that post button and watch your views, and hopefully your Temu earnings soar. Remember to engage with comments and answer questions to keep the momentum going. That's it. You're now ready to share your Temu code like a TikTok pro. Go forth and conquer that algorithm.